One sunny morning, in a magical land full of wonder, there lived a friendly bear named Taskmaster Ted. Taskmaster Ted was known far and wide for his organization and efficiency. But most of all, he was loved for his kind heart and gentle nature. Every day, he would wake up early, stretch, and start his day with a big smile. He had a mission: to help the animals in his land complete their tasks on time. Ted loved his job, but he knew that sometimes the tasks could be challenging. So, he decided to help them in a special way. One day, a young rabbit named Ruby came to him, looking troubled. "Taskmaster Ted," she said, "I can't find my carrots for dinner." Taskmaster Ted listened carefully and then said, "Don't worry, Ruby. Let's find those carrots together." With a twinkle in his eye, Ted led Ruby to the vegetable patch. After a bit of searching, they found the carrots hidden under a pile of leaves. Ruby was overjoyed and thanked Taskmaster Ted. "You're not just a taskmaster," she said, "you're my friend." Taskmaster Ted smiled and said, "That's the best compliment anyone could give me. Remember, it's not just about tasks, but about helping each other too." From that day on, the animals in the land respected Taskmaster Ted even more. They knew that he was not just a taskmaster, but a friend who cared for them. And so, the story of Taskmaster Ted spread, inspiring other lands to value organization, kindness, and friendship. And every night, the animals would gather around, listening to the tales of Taskmaster Ted, a gentle bear whose kindness touched the hearts of all who knew him.